Yeah.
Good ma full time ang pag-vlog. Di kasi mo pagka busy.
Mo lagi po.
Lagi ubang ikaw ni undang pag silang mga profession. Kay nag-vlog ra sila.
Adi o kaya na kay
Gani.
the purpose gani of na may kan good na vlog. Mag-vlog ka para mo improve yung business. Na pa yung vlog na pang personal na yun siya. Kana day to day na ba?
Pag wala ikaw for one good isang career nila vlogger.
Gani.
Ano na record?
Wala na record. Hello everyone. So today is Saturday. Together with me is Mr. Kuji. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. On the way to Tagum.
Yes, Tagum.
Di ba?
See you guys. See you Tagum City.
Yes. So, for today's vlog, as a small business owner here in Davao City, we have certain properties in Tagum na mo i-prepare for our clients. Kay si clients guys, nag-down na sa og in advance worth almost mga so syempre we want as well na i-plaster gyud namo ang tenant. So muna mo agtumi karon na may i-repair, making sure ang electricity, ang water is na plaster because we want our tenants yun na maka-start ng operations given nagnegosyo pud among tenant. So we want na both sides is win-win yun in terms of doing business here in Davao City, Tagum or Panabo. So looking forward to be there, very productive, and hopefully we'll be able as well to close another units in Tagum. So see you.
See you guys.
Ito no? Smayo pa. Yeah, go. Akong tart good. Go. Kung dako. Dari go. Sa may GNT good. Yan na sa pa. Sa tupang ko nila. Di na close man nila. Yan na sa. Kita ko niya maglabay. Nakita na. Hindi sila. Raymond na, kapitalan. Tayo ni Respondin. Yung meeting. Last discussion. Kaya na naman.
This is air traffic control. You're cleared for takeoff.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.